Hi to all. Today's topic is maxima and minima for a functions of two variable for a problem 3. Find the extreme value of the function given question x cube y square into 1 minus x minus y. I will multiply each term separately so that it will be easy for my calculation fx. We need to find fx and fy. First I will find fx. Fx equal to 0 only I need to find. When I differentiate this with respect to x only I have to, y squared is constant. So y squared is constant means 3x squared y squared minus in the same way 4x cube y squared minus 3x squared y cube. So differentiated it is equal to 0. So take a common term outside. I will take x squared y squared taking common term outside. When I take it common term outside, minus 3 minus 4x minus 3y equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? Means x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 4x minus 3 plus 3y plus 3y equal to 3. So I have 3 set of equation I'm getting. I have to solve this. I will keep it as it is. Okay. Same way I will find out fy. Fy equal to 0. So x cube as it is, y squared when I differentiate it is 2y minus x power 4 as it is, y squared differentiate 2y minus x cube as it is, y cubed 3y squared equal to 0. Same way we'll take it common terms outside. When I take it commonly outside, I will take x cube is a maximum power, x cube y I will take it commonly outside. When I take it 2 minus 2x minus 3y equal to 0 I am getting. So what is the meaning? Means x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y equal to 2. I am getting the points to be like this. I have two set of equation. From this I am going to solve this and get the stationary point. How to solve means first I will take this equation. This and this. Okay. So 4x so 4x plus 3y equal to 3. Same way 2x plus 3y equal to 2. So minus symbol minus minus. So when I simplify it, 2x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 by 2 I am getting. If x is 1 by 2, substitute in this y you will get. Y is nothing but 3y equal to 3 minus 4x. So 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. So 2. So 3 minus 1, 1. So y equal to 1 by 3. I am getting y equal to 1 by 3. So x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. One point is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Only one stationary point still now. Other stationary point, okay, x equal to 0. Put in this equation 4x. Put x equal to 0 in 4x plus 3y. In this you put x equal to 0 means 3y equal to 3. So y equal to 1. So other stationary point is, my second stationary point is 0 comma 1. Okay. Same way y equal to 0 in the same equation. Y equal to 0 when I put 4x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 comma 0. I got still now 3 points. Same way x equal to 0 in the second equation. Same format. Okay. Use x equal to 0 in 2x plus 3y equal to 2. In this when I put my y equal to 2 by 3. So my equation will be 0 comma 2 by 3. Same way y equal to 0 you put y equal to 0 means 2x equal to 2. So x equal to 1. So my point will be 1 comma 0. So I have how many stationary points? Still now 3, 4, 5 stationary points I have it. 0 comma 0. One more it is x0 and y0. So that combination I can write it's 0 comma 6 0 also I have to write. So how many 6 stationary points totally we have 6 stationary points. Okay, so I will write all the stationary point. We are going to check all the 6 stationary points like a table format. 0 comma 0 any order, it's no order at all, anything you can write it our wish. 0 comma 1 1 comma 0 0 comma 2 by 3 3 by 4 comma 0 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. All the stationary points I have written. This is the way we have to calculate the stationary points. Now one by one we will calculate it. First, before that, I will calculate R, T and S so that it will be easy for our calculation. What is our R? R is nothing but Fxx. Fxx we have calculated. One more time differentiate with respect to x. So what is our equation already given? So 6. So 3x squared y squared is nothing but 6xy squared minus 12x squared y squared minus 6x y cube are calculated. S is nothing but f of xy. Same way y equation with respect to x. So 6y squared x squared y minus 8y cube x cube y minus 9x squared y squared. T is nothing but f of y comma y. So 2x cube minus 2x power 4 minus 6x cube y. So calculated all the values. Now we have to form it in the table format. Okay, now when I form it in a table, all the 6 point I will form it in a table. Conclusion also we will write it here. Conclusion I will write it here. Three, 6. 6. Okay. So 6 points I have written 0 comma 0 at a point 0 comma 1 1 comma 0 0 comma 2 by 3 3 by 4 comma 0 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. So all the points I have written. Now we are going to check it. Okay. So when I check it, first Everything when I multiply, I feel difficult. R separate, S separate, T separate, I will calculate it. Then I will multiply it so that I will not do any mistake. Okay. R T minus S squared separate. Okay. R separate only when it is necessary. So like this I will do. I will not do any mistakes. Okay, yes, this is conclusion. So now first only R at 0, comma 0. Everything 0, 0, 0. When I calculate 0 only. Okay. S also every x and y 0, it is 0. T also every variable 0 at 0 only. So RT minus S squared it is 0. R also it is that no need. R only when it is less we need to calculate, that we'll check. 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 I have to substitute. X 0 only y 1. X 0 y 1. So you have to come check it. In this also I will be getting all 0 only. So 0 comma, because it is in combination of x and y. Only in this t you may get. In this I will check. Okay. X is 0. So you will get x is 0. Only y equation means okay. So in this also I am getting RT minus this also 0. 1 comma 0 also you will be getting 0 only. All the 4 cases. Yes. Now in this we need to check. In this 0. X is 0 means maximum all are 0 only. Y only 0 means you may get answer. In this I will check. Y 0 means Y 0, Y 0, Y 0, R 0, S 0. But in this you check Y 0 means in this 0, X it is not 0. Here I am not getting a 0. You check whether it's you will be getting a positive value or negative value only. You have to check it. Okay. Check it what value I will be getting. Positive value or negative value you will be getting. So we will be getting 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 the whole cube minus 3 by 4 the whole. So 3, 2 into here you will be getting t 0 only. Here you will be getting positive. Okay. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 only. Only in this row we need to calculate it. You check it. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. You can do it in a calculator also. So when I do it, 6 into 1 by 2, then 1 by 3 the whole square minus 12 into, okay, x squared 1 by 2 the whole squared, y squared 1 by 3 the whole square minus 6 into 1 by 2 into y is 1 by 3 the whole cube. You calculate in a calculator also. You will get positive or negative only. You need to check. It may be any fraction. So you check in this. You will get a negative in this. Okay. So in this you check in a calculator. Yes. When you substitute in this also, you will be getting negative. In T also you will be getting a negative. But when you multiply this both, okay, you will be getting a positive. Greater than 0 you will be getting. Negative means is less than 0. Now what we have to do? Which is maximum, which is minimum we need to calculate. Okay, RT minus S squared, every cases it's 0. Every case is 0 means it is in conclusion. All these full cases, it's a in conclusion. Conclusion will be further in doubtful. Are you right? Doubt. In this, it's greater than 0 means it's a greater means when you have to check with R. R you have to check R. When I check already R I have negative. So R is less than 0. R is less than 0 and RT minus x squared is greater than 0. It's nothing but maximum point. So this is what I have to write. It's a in conclusion or a doubtful or further investigation is needed. Anything you can write. We'll write in conclusion. No conclusions are there. We need not do anything. Only 1 point. Okay, we have 6 points, but no use of this 6 point. Only 1 point we have it, which is that is maximum point only. 1 point also is maximum point only. What is the maximum value you have to calculate at 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. You calculate in the given question, you will get the maximum value. Substitute in this f of 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. You substitute in the given question, you will get. Given question when I substitute is nothing but 1 by 2 the whole cube into 1 by 2 the 1 by 3 1 by 3 the whole square into 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. When I simplify it, my minimum value will be 1 by 432. You calculate in a calculator. So minimum value will be 1 divided by 432 is my minimum value. I'll write one more last problem so that you can understand clearly the last question. When you have variable, what I have to do? So it's the last question. So when you have variable, how you have to do it? So that case, discuss maxima and minima, the function f of x comma y is nothing but x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. Okay. So how to do it? The question is like this means how we have to do it. Okay. So now the question has been given like this means first step we need to find fx. So fx with respect to x. So 3x squared minus 3ay, okay, equal to 0. Fy, so 3y squared minus 3ax equal to 0. So when I solve it, 3 I can cancel it, x squared equal to ay, y squared equal to ax. I'm getting, this is the equation I'm getting. From this I need to find the points. Okay, so this is the equation I'm getting. Solve it. This I can write it as y equal to x squared by a. This I can write it as x equal to y squared by a. Now you substitute one equation in another thing so that I may get. Okay, so y equal to x squared by a in this. Okay, this equation substitute in the second equation. When I substitute it, what I may get? x squared by a the whole square equal to ax. Simplify this. Every equation now it is in terms of a. So x power 4 equal to a cube x. So when I write it, x power 4 minus a cube into x equal to 0. X I can take it outside. So x cube minus a cube equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and x equal to a. I got the points to be x equal to 0 and x equal to a. Getting the points to be this. Okay, same way. Now this equation I substitute in this. Okay, it will be in terms of y. So now y squared by a the whole square is equal to ay. So now y power 4 is nothing but a cube y. Same way y I can take it outside, y cube minus a cube in equal to 0. Y I am getting to be y 0, y is nothing but a. I have y equal to 0 and y equal to a. This is a. Okay. Now, how many points I have? Stationary points. 2 stationary points. Stationary points are 0, 0 and a, e. Okay, only 2 stationary points. Okay. Now the 2 stationary points I'm going to check whether it's a maxima or minima. Only 2 points, so easy to check. Okay. For that I need to find R, S and T. Okay, I will find out. At the point 0, 0 at a, a. For that R is nothing but f double x. F double x, what is the equation I'm getting? Already I have the equation to be fx is nothing but 3x squared minus 3x. So with respect to x only. So 6x I will be having. Same way, s is nothing but f of xy. Xy means y equation with respect to x. So minus 3a. Same way, t is nothing but f of y. Y equation with respect to y means 6y. So completed. So now you check the points. This is our this. So at 0, 0. At 0, 0 means rt minus a squared only I have to check. So it's nothing but 36xy minus, it's nothing but minus as it is x squared is nothing but minus 3a the whole square is 9a squared. So this is the rt minus a squared. Okay, so that condition I'm going to check it. So rt minus a squared, when I check it at 0, 0 fully 0, so I'll be getting minus 9a squared, which is nothing but, so at 0, 0 when I check it, I will be getting minus 9a squared. Okay, 9a squared, it's negative only, is less than 0. So it's less than 0 means it is what it is. Less than 0 means it's a saddle point. We did not find at all. Okay, same way at a, a when I do it, rt minus a squared when I do it, I'll be getting a, a. So 36 a squared minus 9a squared. So 27 a squared is nothing but it's greater than 0. Greater than 0 means I have to check R. R I have to check 6x. So 6x is nothing but 6a. 6a is nothing but it is also 6a Now only it will be a problem. A, you don't know whether it's less than 0 or it's greater than 0. It's A. So in this case, okay, when A is less than 0, when A greater than 0, two cases, when it is greater than 0, when it is less than 0, both you have to write it. So first case, when in this A, you will be getting when it is A less than 0. Less than 0 means I'll be getting R also less only. When it is less means less than 0 I am getting. Okay. So in that case I'll be getting the point to be, if it is less than 0 means the point will be maximum point. Same way, when A is greater than 0, I'll be getting a minimum point. Okay. Now we need to check like this, you write it. Depending upon that only I know whether it is a minimum point or maximum point. I don't know. So now we need to calculate minimum value or maximum value at A comma A. You substitute in the given question. When I substitute in the given string, what is our question? A cube plus y cube. So a cube again minus 3axy is nothing but again a square. So it's nothing but minus a cube is the answer. Minus a cube is the answer. Write it separate minus a cube. So completed. Thank you.